Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys a fun, trendy hairstyle that I've personally been loving, and it is called the bun hawk. We have buns here, and it's in the shape of a mohawk. Let's get this bun hawk party started. What I've done with my hair is I've just washed it and conditioned it, and I towel dried it so it's not like extremely wet, but I like that my hair is just a little wet to play with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna part my hair with this comb, and you can really use any comb if you want to, but you wanna make sure that you have a really nice part going on here. It's like, hey guys, peekaboo. I'm such a nut. Okay, so my hair is parted, and I'm gonna start at the top first. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this spray bottle, and this is just water, and I'm just gonna spritz it just a little bit because I wanna slick this down. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of some leave-in conditioner. And that's what's cool about this hairstyle as well, is I see it as a protective style. And what I mean by protective is I wanna protect my hair again from the heat, and I don't wanna damage my hair too much. So what I like to do is I just like to add a little bit of moisture to my hair, a leave-in conditioner. Basically, it's like a conditioning treatment when you're done with this hairstyle. While you're doing your errands, you're actually conditioning your hair at the same time, so it's pretty cool. So you see how it kind of like just straightened the hair out a little bit? I'm just gonna take a rubber band and just put my hair in it. Just like that. Jeez, you guys, my hair has gotten so long, and I really credit my hair length to all of these protective styles that I've been wearing recently, conditioning it, and also my prenatal vitamins. That's like kind of like a little secret. A lot of people, they don't really know that you can continue your prenatal vitamins after you've had your baby, and it really, really helps with hair growth. For me, it did. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna twist my hair like this, and then I'm gonna create a really cute bun. So there we go. And then I'm just gonna use a bobby pin to just keep the bun in place. One bun down. So now I'm gonna work on my second bun. And again, you just wanna part the hair. I don't know, I always have that mirror face whenever I'm in the mirror. Hey girl. So then I'm just gonna grab my hair in the middle, brush the edges so everything is smooth and nice. Whew, this is a lot of hair, Tia. Jeez, girl. And then I'm gonna take another band, put all of my hair in it. And this is so easy and quick. That's one thing that I love about this style too. Put some leave-in conditioner. They make this stuff smell so good. It's like you wanna eat it. Make sure I get my ends of my hair, because that always needs a lot of love. And then again, I'm just gonna twist it to create a bun. There we go. Add some bobby pins to keep it in place. Not only do I find with taking prenatal vitamins that your hair just grows and gets long, my hair actually got really, really thick. I kept my hair in extensions when I had my son Cree, and I wasn't really nourishing my curls and my hair, so I really didn't see a lot of growth and health with my hair. But this time around, I did the big chop before I got pregnant with my daughter Cairo, and then I started to take the prenatal vitamins, and I kept on taking the prenatal vitamins, and I truly believe that that's why my hair is so healthy. Not only that, I have been putting my hair in protective styles, whereas with my son, I didn't do that with my hair. I literally just put my hair back into extensions, so I wasn't taking care of it, but now I am. I'm just gonna put this into a bun. I'm putting the next bobby pin in place. So you wanna make sure with this hairstyle, you wanna part carefully because it becomes a part of the design. Bun hawk. All right, guys, now, how do you make a bun hawk even better? Put a braid on it. Hashtag put a braid on it. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do just that. Got some synthetic hair, and you can get this from any beauty supply. It is only $5, you guys, $5. Just make sure you don't put any heat on synthetic hair. I actually did that before, and I'm telling you, the hair all ended up on the curling iron. It was terrible. Oh, lesson learned. They sell it with this little rubber band on it, and what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna put a braid on it. I wanna see a lot of hashtags, put a braid on it. Let's get this trending. I have a daughter now that I can braid her hair, put it in bows. I cannot wait for her hair to grow and get really long. As you all know, Cree had a lot of hair, which was just so much fun doing it. I actually had a video where I did Cree's hair. I showed you guys how I did Cree's hair, and then he decided to cut it. I cried, but he was happy about it. So if he's happy, I'm happy. So this is very easy. I'm just braiding it. I want to keep this braid in place, so I'm just gonna put a little rubber band on the bottom. So I don't want the braid to be too tight, so I'm just gonna loosen it up a little bit. You can do any braid you want. You can do a fishtail braid, or you can just do a regular braid like this. Hi, how are you? You're so pretty. I'm just gonna take this rubber band here and just attach it to the last bun. Boom. What? What? Tell me this isn't cool. And did you see how easy that was? We are ready to hit the town. But wait, you guys, there's more. Hashtag, that's not all. That was like such bad acting. But anyway, I have something else. Watch what I do with this braid. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just take it up and just kind of wrap it around and create like an S, and boom, you are ready for the red carpet or a date. Like, this is the hair that just keeps on going. Man, $5 will take you far. I think that's pretty cool. All right, you guys, there you have it. I hope I've inspired you to try out this really cool, trendy bun hawk. Make sure you take some photos. I want to see them, and don't forget to tag me. And also make sure you subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. I'll see you next week. Bye.